AI generated emotional transformational videos like this are going viral on all social media platforms right now. And today I'm going to teach you how to create videos like this from a base prompt I'm going to hand over to you at the end of this video for free.
May you find someone to help you as this kind lady helped me. Type amen if you believe.
These kinds of videos gather millions of views on social media because they appeal to two of our basic instincts. Number one, the need to help people, and secondly, the need to see transformation. 5 million views, 2.4 million views, 10.8 million views, and the likes are uncountable. And it was never filmed, all AI generated. Quickly, before we go further, comment the word viral in the comments so that by the end of this video, I will send you the base prompt that you can use to create your own version of these kinds of videos authentically. Do that right now. So let's go to exactly how this is made. These videos are made in 3 processes essentially. You create images of your character, the dirty scene, and the final scene. You create the videos, and then finally you stitch them all up together. Now you can use a variety of AI tools to do this, but today I'm going to be using an AI tool that's going to generate the images for me, generate the videos for me, and stitch them all up for me, following my exact instructions, making things 100% easy for me. And name of the AI tool is Flova AI. Now, if you log on to Flova AI, they're going to give you free 100 credits. And the more you explore this website, you get 200 more credits that you can use to try this out as I'm doing it, okay? So these 3 steps, let's go through it. Now, looking at my prompt document that I have right here,
you go to the prompt document and select the portion that says prompt template. You're going to copy everything from the prompt template up to the end. Then you're going to open your chatbot, ChatGPT, and paste it in here.
Now the third image that you need to upload is going to be the image of whatever design you want the room to be. So what we are going to do is we are going to go on Pinterest and find a design that we like. Opening Pinterest, you're just going to type luxury bedroom designs. So look for a lot of them that you like, and for this one I'm going to click this particular bedroom. I like what it looks like. I'm going to click this button right here and I'm going to download the image.
Pressing the plus button, add image of the new bedroom that you want to work with, and add the image of who you want the character to look like. Yeah, so once this has been there, you're going to go back to the prompt document. You see this beginning portion, you're going to copy it, right? And then you're going to give some space. Then you're going to paste it, right? Then you're going to edit this portion. So who do you want your helper to be? You know, I used a pregnant woman before, so now I want to use an old woman. So you're going to change here to old woman, right? And then you press the send button. So ChatGPT is going to give you a new prompt that's going to be specially for you. So you can see ChatGPT has now given you a specialized character prompt to create your character, and then it has given you your scenes. See that? So you're going to copy this, and this is going to be the prompt you're going to feed into Flova AI. Now just copy everything from here, copy the whole response, and then we're going to open Flova AI. We're going to paste it in, and then we're going to add our images so that Flova AI understands what we're talking about. So I'm going to add image of myself again and image of the finished bedroom, and then you press the generate button. So the chatbot Flova AI has loaded everything in, and it's asking us now that everything looks good. What do you want to do? Do you want to proceed to create Jane's portrait, or you want to do a storyboard first? Which one would you like? So let's just click proceed to create, you know, all the characters that are needed in this, and we're going to click that, and we're going to press the send button.
So the AI tool has created a reference image of me, Jane, as you can see right here. It has also created the image of this old woman. She's not looking that old, but it's okay. And then we can see the last image of the dilapidated room. So we have the 3 images that we want all at once to tell our story. So the AI tool comes and tells me that once you confirm, we'll go straight into generating all 13 video shots, and I'm okay with that. So it's asking me now, do I want all 3 look good, generate the shot by shot videos? You can decide to generate just shot by shot videos. You can do some adjustments in Jane if you want. If Amaka needs adjustments or the dirty room needs adjustments, nothing. So all three looks good. Let's start generating the short videos, and it's going to go ahead and generate all the scenes for me. Easy, right? So all the scene shots have been generated, and I must tell you that they look good. Like, look at this. Look at how everything is moving from one posture to another. The next thing we are going to do now is to tell the AI tool to string this all up together to make a complete video. Now, if you have any correction at any point in time, you just type it into the chatbot, and the chatbot will set the correction. So now all the parts have been generated. Let's see them all as a finished video.
May you find someone to help you as this kind lady helped me.
Wow, guys, that is amazing. Jane looks consistent in every scene, in every shot, and the final reveal was amazing. So remember, if you do want this prompt document, don't forget to comment viral. And before you leave, my name is Jane. This is Everyday AI with Jane, and every Tuesday I post new videos. You can watch this video here and this video here if you'd like to learn more.